Hey there, are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to boost your income and have more financial freedom? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing the 5 best online ways to make money. These methods have been tried and tested, and they can help you earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a college student, or just looking for ways to boost your income, these options are perfect for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Stories. In today's video, we will show you the 5 best online side hustle ideas that make money. Let's get started. Number 1. Taking online surveys. Online surveys are a simple and easy way to make money on the side. Market research companies will pay you for your thoughts and opinions on a wide range of topics, from how you feel about a product to how you feel about politics. By participating in surveys, you can help businesses and organizations better understand consumer behavior and preferences. To get started, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. You'll need to sign up with a survey website, complete your profile, and start receiving survey invitations via email. You can then choose which surveys you want to take and get paid for your time and input. The pay for taking surveys can vary, with some paying just a few cents and others offering a few dollars. It's a good idea to do some research and find reputable survey sites that offer decent pay and a wide range of topics. Some popular survey websites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and iSurvey. It's important to note that while taking surveys can be a quick and easy way to make a few extra bucks, it's not going to be a significant source of income. The pay can be low, and the number of available surveys may be limited. However, if you enjoy sharing your opinions and have some free time, it can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. Number 2. Selling products on Etsy or eBay. If you have a creative side and enjoy making things, you can turn your hobby into a side hustle by selling your products online. Etsy and eBay are popular platforms for selling handmade or unique items, and it's easy to set up your own shop and start selling. You can sell a wide range of products, including jewelry, clothing, home decor, and art. You will just need an account with either Etsy or eBay and a little bit of time and effort to set up your shop and start listing your products. You'll need to take clear, high-quality photos of your items and write detailed product descriptions to attract potential buyers. You'll also need to set your prices and decide on shipping options. One of the great things about selling on Etsy or eBay is that you have the freedom to be as creative as you want. You can create your own designs and products or customize existing ones to make them unique. You can also choose to sell your products on a full-time or part-time basis, depending on your schedule and goals. It's important to note that starting a business on Etsy or eBay does require some upfront time and effort. You'll need to invest in materials and supplies and put in the work to create and list your products. However, if you're passionate about your craft and willing to put in the effort, it can be a rewarding and lucrative side hustle. Number 3. Becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, you can sign up for affiliate programs and earn money by sharing links to products and services. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. There are a number of affiliate programs such as Commission Junction and Amazon Associates. You'll need to do some research to find the best program for your needs and make sure to read the terms and conditions before signing up. It's also a good idea to choose products or services that align with your interests or expertise, as they will be easier to promote and sell to your audience. As an affiliate marketer, you'll need to create content that promotes the products you're affiliated with. This can be done by writing reviews, making how-to videos, or recommending products on your blog or social media. You'll also need to use the affiliate program's unique tracking links to make sure you get credit for any sales that come from your advertising. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that it can be done on a part-time basis, and you can choose to promote products that you're passionate about. However, it does require some effort and time to build up a following and start making a significant income. It's also important to be honest and let people know, as required by advertising laws, that you're using affiliate links in your content. Number 4. Providing freelance services. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can offer your services as a freelancer and make money on the side. There are a number of websites that connect businesses with freelancers in a variety of fields, including writing, design, marketing, and more. You can choose to work on short-term or long-term projects and set your own rates and availability. To get started as a freelancer, you'll need to sign up with a freelancing website such as Upwork or Freelancer and create a profile. You'll then be able to browse and apply for available projects and negotiate terms with clients. It's a good idea to have a clear idea of your services and rates and to have a portfolio of your work to show potential clients. Freelancing can be a flexible and rewarding way to make money on the side. You have the freedom to choose your own projects and set your own schedule, and you can work as much or as little as you want. However, it can be competitive, and it may take some time to build up a client base. Also, it's important to be professional and do good work if you want to get repeat customers and good reviews. Number 5. Teaching or tutoring online. If you have a passion for teaching or tutoring, you can use your skills to make money by offering private lessons or tutoring sessions online. There are a number of platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, and OutSchool that allow you to create and sell your own courses. You can pick your own subject and make a course that fits your knowledge and interests. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one tutoring through websites like TutorMe or VIPKid. These websites connect students with tutors in a variety of subjects, and you can set your own rates and schedule. You'll need to have a solid understanding of the subject you're tutoring and be comfortable teaching others online. To get started, you'll need to sign up with a platform and create a profile. Then you'll be able to look at available tutoring jobs, apply for them, and talk about terms with the students or parents. It's a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others and make money on the side. Teaching or tutoring online can be a flexible and rewarding way to make money, and you can choose to work as much or as little as you want. It's a great option if you have a passion for education and enjoy helping others, but you need to know a lot about the subject and be able to teach well online. These are the 5 best online side hustle ideas that make money. All you need is a little creativity and determination, and you can turn your side hustle into a successful business. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to try out one or more of these methods. Whether you want to earn a full-time income or just some extra cash on the side, there are plenty of opportunities available online. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests and to be consistent and dedicated. With a little bit of hard work and determination, you can achieve your financial goals and improve your financial situation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.